Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka kunhun tem jingruai niam nagari Amerika ya ka belatip kertengkum ka White Cross. Kalawan yuk kejat haka khalai terik wiya yong arjar khar kendai hanong ba Shillong kum si benta ban ya lap ya ka ktien jong ublei lengba ki sur jingruai. Kani ka kunhun ka say shimenta haka rock concert kaban salong haka khat sau terik wiya yong arjar khat kendai hamaran polo Shillong nado ka por sau siteng janmet. Kani ka kunhun tem jingruai niam ka bala paunam ha keleng ka perthai haka jinge kendo bat kilat pathai kubor haka khalai terik wiya yong arjar khat kendai ha Shillong Press Club kila penpau ba ka jingwan joki sya ka jela Meghalaya ka dei lengba ka jingkhot sngoba jong ka Global Mission Factor Association ka balong ka wei na ki kunhun ka bajupen priang ya ka ktien jong ublei lengba ki sur jingruai ha ki benta ba per jong ka jela Meghalaya.
How y'all doing? Everybody good out there? All right. Where are y'all from?
India.
I see different papers. Y'all from Shillong? Yeah. All right. That's good. So y'all can ask us anything you'd like.
This is the first time that you're performing here in Shillong.
First time?
It's the first time that you're performing in Shillong.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
first time
yes.
in India.
First time in
How's your
India.
experience in Shillong so far, upon reaching Shillong?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely wonderful.
Compared with other parts of the state where you've traveled and coming to Shillong, what's the difference? Because you've come from a long way, from Delhi and all that. So compared from there to Shillong, how's the ambience in Shillong?
Oh, wow, it's a huge difference.
Yeah, I mean it's the weather is pleasant here. It's very hot. And the rest of it, and we're up in the mountains, and
Yeah.
people are friendly.
Yes, very friendly. It
So-
seems to be very friendly in this part of India
Yeah.
versus some of the other parts of India
Yeah.
that we've experienced.
Can you tell us something about the band?
Sure. I can tell you as much or as little as you like. We started in about 1985, and we didn't have our first record until 1987, and it came out, and it did really, really well right out of the box. So it just was something that people were looking for, and we didn't know. You know, we just made the music that we wanted to make, and people decided that they liked it, and it was word of mouth. And then we started playing every weekend, and then we went and did a tour as a support act for Steve Taylor, and then after that it was just we were out on the road solid pretty much for the next 5 years after that, and then we had to take a break for a while. We needed to get away from each other for a while. Scotty carried on. I went and did some other things, and then this lineup with Michael and Benny. And by the way, let me just introduce everybody here for you guys. So this is Michael Fian. He's our drummer and vocalist. My name is Rex, and I am the guitarist, and I'm the only original member that has left, although we've all been together for a very long time. This is Peter Stenlund. He is the vocalist, and he's the newest addition to the family, but we're very excited to have him. And this is Benny Ramos on the bass guitar and keyboards, and we all sing and play music together. So somebody was asking earlier today, how many countries have we been to? 17, 18 countries. I don't know, where have we been?
About 18 or 19, something like that.
Yeah, it's like Guatemala, Sweden, Brazil. We've never been to the Far East. So this, coming to India I was so excited when I got the message from Yanran to come, and then when we were approached to come to Shillong, this is like awesome, because we've never been to India. So I thought, who knows, maybe this is a once in a lifetime experience, but it's amazing, and we're just trying to soak it all in and you know, we're here because we go wherever God sends us. That's where we go, and we love people all over the world, and that's what we certainly want to do, is just bring a message that God loves people, and we're here to bring the music and the message and play a little rock and roll for you.
As we can see that the concert is free, entry free.
Yeah, well, it is a free concert, right? Raymond, do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, it's entry free because like we want
It's
to.
very unique, no? We don't see concerts being free, so.
Okay. Because basically we want to reach to the masses, to all the sections of the society. Maybe some of your members of the society, they're not able to. They want to come to the concert, so if there's a ticket concert, then maybe they can't purchase. So we just want for everybody to be to be blessed, to have fun like that. So basically it's that.
I like that guy.
How hard has it been for the band? Because we know that it is a Christian band.
Yeah.
And how hard has it been for you guys, especially when you took up, the genre of metal? When metal is supposed to, many people, the perception is being like, it's underground, it's dark, it's satanic, And for a Christian band to take up, a genre of metal, how has, did you face any difficulties, any problems, any hardships?
I haven't. I think it's pretty close to each other anyway, because there are a lot of symbols and stuff in that satanic world. So that kind of language is kind of similar to the Christian world, even though it's the opposite. So in many ways, it's easier to understand each other. So I haven't really experienced any. And I live in Sweden. And Sweden and Norway is the two countries in the world that produces the most satanic music. But I haven't had any problems with it, really.
Yeah, and I like to say that music is always, it's a spiritual thing. If it's a love song, or if you're expressing a spiritual truth in music, and certainly the secular, the worldly metal, Slayer and some of these other bands, some of the bands really believe in their message, and we just got to pray for those people. A lot of the bands just do it because it's a gimmick and it's kind of the style or the genre. But it's, as Peter says, it's pretty easy to have a conversation with someone, because they're just, a lot of times they're taking imagery right from the Bible. When Iron Maiden writes about 666, the number of the beast, they're a metal band. I happen to like them. I like a lot of their music.
That's good.
But if I would sit down with Bruce Dickinson, I would say, well, let's talk about this. And you have this song, but the flip side of that is that there's no second chances either. So that's our song. So they have their songs and we have our songs, and we can talk about the same things. But it is ultimately, it comes down to there is a creator God, and that's the inspiration behind what we do. And then we just like our music. We play what we play.
In Shillong, maybe you don't know, but in Shillong, metal Christian bands Christian bands are very less. We don't even, we have not even heard of them. But there are a few of them out there. So what's your message to them, to try and improve their music and to come out? Because there's very less metal gospel bands in Shillong.
I would say to all musicians, metal, country, pop music, rap, EDM, anything, whatever your style or your sound is, just
ensure yourself genuine.
Yeah, just as you want to in life, you want to draw close to God. That's the thing. It doesn't matter if you drive the car, if you're a cook, or if you work at the hospital, or whatever your job is, you want to do your job to the best that you can, and you also just want to live your life as God directs you, and you always want to draw close to the Lord. So if you're going to play in a rock band, you want to be the best you can be, and don't settle for just good enough, but practice and play and achieve excellence.
What about those people in Shillong? Many people are not accepting metal as a form of music or gospel music, the form of metal.
Well, it's not really music, is it? It's just a lot of noise.
Yeah, it creates a lot of noise. So in Shillong, people they don't accept this kind of music, especially gospel music, coming metal music, form of gospel. So what's your message to those non-believers in metal music in the world?
Psalm 150.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Well, what it actually says is that, wow, I can't say it in English.
You want to make a joyful noise, right?
Yeah, you're praising all these loud instruments, and it's using.
It's not a matter of style. It's not a matter of musical style. It's about the heart.
Yes. Thank you.
That's the difference.
Yes, that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah. So we had that. That has been what you describe has been the issue all over the world, and we have been dealing with it for many years.
And the person who says this music is not good, they're the ones with the problem, not us. I play guitar. I love to play my guitar, and I cannot wait to play my guitar, and I live to play my guitar. And you come to the show tomorrow, I promise you, I will play every lick in my book. You know, and maybe I don't have very many licks, but I will play all of them. And I cannot wait to do this for you. But the rest of it is, as Peter says, thank you. It's a matter of the heart.
Saw the headlines just the other day. Said the wall's coming down. Said the peace is just a breath away. One world, one voice, one happy family. Yeah, that's what the world believes. I read my Bible just the other day. Said the kingdom's coming down. Jesus said the kingdom is just a prayer away. One Lord, one God, one faith eternally. Yeah, that's what the church believes. We're alive, we are strong. We're a nation, we belong. Let us all stand together in the kingdom. No more darkness, no more night. We are children of the light. Let us all work together in the kingdom. I heard a newsman just the other day said a war was coming down. Said destruction is just a breath away. One world, one war, one awesome tragedy. Yeah, that's what the world believes. I heard a preacher just the other day. He said God's glory's coming down. Just as the waters cover all the seas. One king, one crown, one reign forevermore.
Kabaningkong lo kanong ka ngalaban ong it'll be a great experience untuk berokhat ki brio jong kanika mo ka brio jong Shillong jong the people of this town it'll be an awesome experience because to have an international band banyo ka band balong kat ki White Cross ki bla win so many awards and ba ki brio ki tip ha in fact September ki Aerosmith ru thì long kalong cái ba it's something new kalong batamai ban experience ho ila ayo bun ki bands baro hunta bandai kumbang ila ayo press conference mentan let's say kani kan kamlong compare kan dia an ngia kermen bukan long hunta
cái cái ba fikir nanti la shai kapan kong so ka kumno ki pin kring ni ki pai ba ki ba pon ngathari ki dei ki biung ngai ho ban ma thang ni de baro ha ki Kristan ho kumno pin kring ki brio kan wan pek je kan free concert
hot ka beningkong long kata long kajing angnut kajing thrang kajongi kum ka seng kum ka association ka ba ngin pen habang ikwa ban ai ki kajong khatam ko bedi ublei mo ki ngin ai ka gospel ni ngin ai kan long bet sabaro bateng khat la ngidon kini ka kuma fitip kani concert kadai ka mdon kam bayrum mo entry free concert ti kalong ka beningkong kalong bet ba ki bri baro kila banwan Fi long lesi ladon ke tiket pat long kunta kan lesi ke tiket kadai hadu arhajan san hajan nget bikiladi ki tiket ki bahdu san 10,000 bro ki White Cross haki concert ke jongki ti banyo long bapli ki bri pada segi bamla pada ngi perkhat am tagi bamla anta barok khot ki bakwa bandon benta banyak kemen lang banyak don kataka bandon kandon kataka celebration banyak kemen lang ti kumta barok khot ki kwa bikin don bental hakanika concert thì công ta cảnh long bật coi cả gì cây ru mo bực kuma filayo a to fin ia mo te ngiru ngi bias ka one of the association ngi bias ba let's just be ka long ka jingker khu ya baro baro khot kenyo ya kemen lang kenyo ya rejoice lang kenyo celebrate lang te and always te bonsin ki sidong ba kalong ikum kenja celebration te kata ka dei ka wei ka ba ni kwa ba kanika concert kan walam sikibrio kamtam juga nong ba Shillong sakawai ru kalong kawai ka bangi kwa long ba ngilabun pha ki ba keliangi fiso kumno ni so ba baro hi gidi ban yo benta kanika concert ni ke event hani nong ba Shillong kamtam long ngale si bun kibrio na po kadon kapor kibrio manurut laj kor tengkat nginwan sa police bazar tang bandi sya mo si pela ka sya ngim so ban pulut te kamtam kani ka free concert ban pulut tang kandiat si fikwan na laj kra fiwan po don bosku na fiwan ini pila da ka basuk ban wan hapulu ban don bentalam perkhat ki White Cross lawan nadu na sabar na siliang duriau kila pulut kumba saupo genta ban sini kila thaj ba henry kalong ka sacrifice na kimo te kalu tam nam tabaro kibrio kanong ba Shillong kerpat request ba la filat yawan ya don bentalang hakani gaji kemen kajing ele sung bahalang hakani ka concert